All right, I got PC boards in the mail. Thank you, PCBWay. I liked their purple color. I made some blue ones and some purple one, and the red ones, green ones. But I like these purple ones, so I decided to go ahead and use purple on this. So this is a big board. I think this is the largest garage-made board I've ever made. I think I've had some longer ones, but they were skinny. I think this is probably the largest board I've done. So I used KiCad, which allowed me to do a big board. Eagle was limiting in the size. So this is a complete noisemaker. I'm calling it a simple synth, but it's more of just a kind of a tone generator. It has oscillators at the bottom, and it has the filter at the top, and it has a mixer over here and an amplifier. It has everything in it. So yeah, I need to build these up. I've started this one already. I have all the oscillators down at the bottom. So there's already some layout problems. The pad layouts for the oscillators don't match the pads on my. The pad for the potentiometers don't match my potentiometers. These are too narrow, so I'm gonna have to create my own pad. It's one of my major gripes about Eagle is navigating the libraries. I'm gonna create a bunch of special parts for parts that I just use all the time. Then I won't get into trouble. The other one is radial capacitors. It's difficult to figure out what size they really are. So I need to like create some that I personally know the size of and use those. But it is pretty cool. The cool thing about KiCad is you can do a 3D image of your board, and yeah, it kind of looks like this. All right, I have a few things wired up here. Let me turn it on. And so I've got two tones, and those are jumpers right here. So I can jump the square wave output of channel 3 to mixer 3, and I can set the triangle wave oscillator to mixer 2, and they come over here to the mixer, and then I can turn them on in various amounts. Number 3. So I found out that the pad layout I was using for the potentiometers is wrong. You can't put them side by side. They were laid out for this little bitty type of potentiometer here. So that works, and then this is the master volume. So that all works. I need to change this layout. There was a PC board error over here that's easy to fix. Yeah, so it's progressing. For some reason my oscillator number 1 wasn't working, so I got to figure that one out, but that'll be easy. Yeah. So I think what I'll do next is maybe load up the attack and decay thing here, see if that works.